Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD part design tools like Revolution, Pocket, Polar Pattern, Chamfer and Fillet. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this parametric 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. This is the drawing with the given dimensions and the steps to solve the exercise. In step 1, we sketch half of the middle section and create a solid part with the help of the Revolution tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile and put the dimensions later. Constrain the geometries before you put the dimensions. Now, assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. In step 2, we remove material from the created part with the help of Pocket and Polar Pattern tools. Activate again the Sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Sketch the second circle with a radius of 50 millimeters. It is 8 millimeters less than the radius of the outer circle. The angle between the two lines is 70 degrees. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. Select the option Reverse. The gear has 20 tooth. Select the created pocket and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. Now select the Z-axis in which the feature be transformed and set the occurrences to 20. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, we have to create the 3 holes with a diameter of 10 millimeters. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XY plane. First, create construction lines and curves for reference. Create the circles at the end of the construction lines. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Unhide the solid part. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. In step 4, we remove again material with the help of Pocket tool from the created part. Activate again the Sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Activate the Centered Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle on the vertical axis. Delete the circle normally. We don't need it. It is for reference only. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. In Step 5, we add fillets and chamfer to the created part according to the drawing. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. Now, we change the appearance of the 3D solid part. Download these or more textures from internet and save them in your folder. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.